Hi, this is Olivia Steinrock with Olivia Steinrock Dog Training. Right now I'm going to be working with Mushu. Quiet. Mushu is 5 months old, and we are working on him with just basic sits, eye contact. He doesn't know sit yet, so really today is just introducing the clicker. That means he's doing a good job. We've tried yes, and the verbal isn't really working, so we're going to use clicker for him. So clicking when the dog does the correct behavior. Here we go. So I'm just going to let his leash fall. Mushu. Mushu. Merlin, quiet. Mushu. Hey, come here. Look. Get a bigger piece of... Ready? Yes, good boy. Merlin, quiet. Good boy. Mushu. Mushu. Yeah, good boy. Mushu. No. Go on the floor. Good boy. Mushu. Moosh. Yes, good boy. So I'm literally just treating for eye contact. He is a little under socialized. I got him as a service dog prospect. He's clearly not going to be a service dog based on his timidness and some of the other behaviors you're seeing. So we are just working on simple eye contact. He had no exposure when he was little to like anything. So even the fact that we have a leash on is progress. Hey, Mushu. Moosh. Up, up, up. Good boy. He doesn't like to make eye contact with you, so we're really working on strengthening that. Good boy. So I'm keeping it like super close to my face to teach him that I want him to make eye contact with me. Good job. Good boy. He's also learning that this click means a treat. Good boy. Yeah, good. Good job, Mushu. Good boy. Good boy. Mushu. Good. Mushu. Mushu. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Very nice. Moosh. Yes. Good. Moosh. No. No. Boy. You can see he's a little jumpy. Moosh. No. Mushu. Good job. Mushu. Good. Mushu. Mushu. Yeah, there you go. Good boy. Mushu. Mushu. Hey. Mushu. Good. Mushu. Mushu. Yeah, good. Mushu. 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 Moosh. Yeah, there you go. Good boy. Ready? Yeah. Yeah, Moosh. Can you sit? Remember this one? Sit. There you go. He doesn't really know sit, so once again, back to eye contact. Here. Mushu. Yeah, that's it. Good boy. Mushu. Mushu. Moosh. Yes. Good boy, Mushu. Good boy. That's what we're going to call it at today. Just that.